Are you someone who has ever noticed your computer's performance degrade and then realized probably you've got infected with the virus, worm, Trojan, backdoor, or maybe a ransomware, and you really don't have a clue of what to do next? And the worst part here is you don't even know if you have an antivirus software. If you do not have an antivirus software and you still think that you've got compromised because of computer's performance, let me help you to understand how to take your system back to a certain status to make sure your system starts functioning normally. To do this, you have to open your command prompt in administrator mode because this particular command requires an elevated privilege to perform this action. Let me open run command prompt. I'm going to say SFC/scan now. Please notice it says you must be an administrator to run the console in, which means I'm not running in admin mode. So I run this command now as an administrator, and in administrator mode, I'm running the same command. I'm saying SFC/scan now. Please notice when I say SFC scan now, what actually happens is SFC stands for System File Checker. It is a default utility that is offered by Microsoft. Interestingly, to make a point that, say for example, your system's current system files are having some kind of a modification from what was given to you, right? So earlier it was having an integral copy of it, a very good copy of it. Now what happens is there is some changes that happen to your system files. You do not know how, you do not know what. You don't have an antivirus software or some kind of a proc monitoring software. Proc monitoring as a process monitoring software. So what you have to do right now is you can run this command called SFC/scan now. You can notice it's saying the beginning verification phase of system scan and verification 28% complete. This process will compare your existing system file with your previous system file, and if there is any changes to it, what it will try doing is it will try to pull the previous image back to the system. This is a very simple method to make it a point that your system files are having a good copy of the file so that there is no virus or worm that has got infected. This is one. Number two is there is also another very interesting command. This command also needs administrator privileges. So what I do is I run as admin. When I run as admin, the command goes like this. I say DISM/online/image/restore health. And the interesting part is the parameter restore health. What this does is this restores the health of your operating system back from a known good status or a known good snap condition. So let me run this. This also, and interestingly, DISM is also a utility by Microsoft Windows. It is called as Deployment Image Services and Management Tool. Upon completion of these two commands, your system's performance, you can expect it to go back to the previous stage as it was. I hope you had something to learn from this. If you did find this useful, please consider like and subscribe. Thank you.